Hello, my name is Marco St. Louis, and I've been a member of the Boys and Girls Club since I was 10 years old. When I look back and think about how the Boys and Girls Club has turned me into the person that I am today, I would like to say that they were able to provide me an environment where it was okay for me to make mistakes along the way, and club members such as Na were there to pick me up and introduce me to new things such as information technology and computers, which empowered me to pursue that in terms of my career. Now, when I think back specifically in 2014, when they did that career day for the juniors who are going into their senior year of high school, I'd like to say that because of that, I was introduced to military service and specifically the Air Force and the Army. And if it wasn't for that, I don't think I would be currently serving in the military like I am today.